Hello mate, you alright?
Shake your hand, mate. You know what I
Thank you
mean?
very much,
I watch all your things.
Oh mate, I'm just getting on this one as well then.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you very much, mate.
Welcome,
Appreciate
mate.
that.
Hey, it means a lot that sometimes. I've been here 20 times, mate, but
Oh, nice mate.
I see some of the stuff and go, oh, I'm having a bit of that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and do you know what, mate? Like, I'm still learning, but if I speak to someone like you and you tell me a little secret, someone else tells me something, and I just try and put it all together.
Yeah, I don't think people actually realise how big it is, this.
Yeah. And the other part is, if you go 5 minutes out anywhere from the tourist area, there's all sorts to see.
Exactly.
There's all sorts here.
I know.
Anyway, pleasure to meet you anyway, mate. Thank you.
Mate.
Cheers, pal. Hello, mate. You alright?
Following you on TikTok, YouTube, all the
Mate,
time.
appreciate that.
Videos.
Thank you very much. Koshka, mate. Spin that around. Could have waited till I've had me shave. Thank you very much.
Donny Knight as well.
Oh, yeah, he's around somewhere now.
He's away home now.
Oh, has he gone home?
I've been home yesterday.
Oh, yeah, we went on a helicopter together.
I've seen that.
Like a gyrocopter, it's called.
Did
Did you get the magazine?
No.
Oh, come on, give me 2 seconds.
Get us a magazine.
Alright, mate. Yeah, can I just grab a magazine? I'll come straight back. Hey, so that's mine. For everyone who doesn't have TikTok and Facebook and things, I put it in a magazine out here. So it doesn't sell anything, no bullshit, just what's online.
Oh, that's good, mate. Thank you very much.
4 times.
Don't blame me for this. Nice to meet you anyway.
Nice to meet
See you
you.
later. Alright, mate.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah,
Just want me
sounds.
book, I was like, let us off.
Let's get one. Where he's off like?
Ishmael, I was seeing in Marmaris, hired the buggy to come down.
Oh, nice one. They are nice buggies because you don't feel the heat.
I know, it's
The wind's
sweating
just
on
on
your
you.
bumper when you're sat on.
Yeah. Oh, so nice to meet you both anyway. See you later, mate. And then we're back to Best Bargain Buys. So whilst I wait for Chico to get some space to give me a haircut and a beard shave, I'll come back for my haircut and I'll sort it out. Thank you, mate. You come in, it's boiling outside, the aircon hits you, and then you can just do a bit of shopping. Then if you want to let your missus do some shopping, or look at the bags next door, all bags are tenner, then go across the road and have a pint at Istanbul Kebab. This is the one we've just got for Ted. Very nice. £10, 3 for 25, steel. I should have this waiting for me back in the UK. Hopefully it's been delivered. New Juventus one, I'm not sure if it's the away or the third kit. Loving the retro kits they've all got. Look at this one. France 98 with Zidane on the back. Class. And again, every single bag in the shop is a tenner. That's every bag. Doesn't matter which bag it is, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then they've got the big shop next door, Best Bargain Buys bags, where every single bag's a tenner in there as well. There isn't one for 15, 20, 25, all 10. So Rochelle can go bag shopping next door. Oh, that aircon when you walk in. Yes, yes, yes. Harul's in the magazine, get up there. And they've got plenty of magazines there, ready to give the customers. But let's have a look at this shop, one of the smartest, tidiest shops in Uludeniz. And they also have a very, very good kids clothing section. We'll buy a few items, we'll haggle on that. We'll get a few items. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Right, let's keep looking around Harul's. Look at these tops. We went through them last time. Do you remember when we were scanning the codes on some of them in the barcodes, and it was taking you directly to the sites?
With black badge. 770.
So 775 on the real site.
Yes.
Harul's price?
The negotiation 45 something.
We've negotiated 45. But you can walk around this shop, and again, the problem is you come in, because everything's so neat and tidy. It's like a shop in the UK, do you know what I mean? Like a proper supermarket, like a proper mall. So you're walking around, everything's there, the sizes, the colours.
So nice.
You all right there, mate?
So nice.
The new ones?
Yes, this is the new one too. They do ghosting like this.
Ah,
They're all
okay.
with NFC badge also. Okay.
And you do fat man sizes now or not? What do you got? I'm a fat man.
They are true sizes, as you know.
True size.
Yes.
So you don't need to go one size up in here, and just true to size. You don't want people leaving, going to a hotel, then flying back to England. Oh, this is too tight.
Yes.
Right, we're going to check for that. Then we're going to tally everything up. I'm going to haggle the ass off him, see what we can get it down to, and then get our asses out of Uludeniz. But definitely come and visit the area. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so hot today. And make sure you subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube and share this video. Now then, everyone, so I'm here in Marmaris, Turkey, just outside Green Nature Diamond Hotel. One of the biggest hotels in Turkey is Green Nature Diamond. Kids are happy on the scooter. The scooters, if you're looking for a scooter in Marmaris, go and see Magia Electric Scooter Hire, just next to Andy's restaurant, where Chucky's now based as well. But for now, I'm going to go inside, check the watches out at Mediba Watch. Some glasses outside. And when you first walk in, hello mate, you alright? Good, thank you mate.
Good?
Good, all good mate, all good. You first walk in, you got some jewellery on the left, and you got some budget friendly watches on the right, but I don't want the budget friendly, well I want budget friendly, but I want the better quality ones, which are out the back. Then you go outside, out the first part of the shop, into the middle part, which is then sunglasses, and this will take you into the VIP collection. Oh, look at this. So this part has all been extended now, and there's so many more watches, there's loads more jewellery, and there's more space in this room. You know, if you have a good look around, rather than just one little room, they've extended it now.
So do you have the test the glass? When you do it, this one, for example, it doesn't beeping because it's no sapphire glass.
So this is the cheap one on the right,
Yeah,
and on the left is the
and
more
when you do
expensive
this, you can see it is luminary in the dark as well. And plus sapphire glass as
one. And the
well.
one on the right?
This is no sapphire.
Like plastic, normal
It's
glass.
normal glass, but it's not not beeping because it's no sapphire glass. But this is the, you can see it, is a sapphire glass.
So what? That's a basic check, isn't it, to know that it's sapphire glass? Because if it's sapphire glass, then it doesn't scratch. It's hard to damage, but you could literally get a pin and try scratching that glass, and it won't scratch. Morning, everyone. So only a couple of days left. We have been to Gazelport already this week, but we didn't really do much shopping. I bought this one top, one t-shirt, which is a Rude t-shirt. Just, I loved it. It was the first one. I seen it on the shelf. I was like, is that new? I said, yeah, it's new. It just came in this week. I was like, perfect. Then Gazelle showed us they've got a couple of bargain racks this time. They'd never had that before, ever. They've got some big sale t-shirts over there, 2 for 50. Then they've got upstairs women's dresses on sale as well. So let's take a look. This is Gazelport in Marmaris, sunny Marmaris. And yes, they are in the magazine, sunnymarmaris.uk, but look at this place. I don't want to make you too dizzy, so if I need to slow down a little bit, just tell me and I'll slow down. These are the 1-to-1 replicas in Marmaris. Look at that, the original one for this, $1,140. You what? They all double denim. Who's wearing double denim? Oh, you can pick me a nice t-shirt, yeah.
I like,
And
this,
then-
I like this green colour, it's so nice.
Yeah, nice. And out of everywhere, I remember when Farhat showed me his his Labubus, and on the last video I was just like, yeah, no idea what it is, mate, don't have a clue. And he was like, no, Craig, they're going to be massive, they're all over everywhere. And he was the first to have them in Marmaris. Now they're everywhere, but they sell the better quality ones. And honestly, Teddy can show you the difference between the cheaper ones and the better quality. Even them little toys. It's nice, but too thin for me when you've got a belly. I could do with a nice pair of shorts for today, maybe. Beautiful fashion, beautiful women dresses upstairs at Gazelport. More sales. First time I've seen sales in here. Now there's 2.
Yes.
And one upstairs.
Exactly. Ladies dress.
And do you have different sizes? So if I pick one up,
Yeah, we got different sizes.
just like the rest of the shop, yeah? Oh.
Yeah, we do.
So it's not just the one that's on the rail in there.
We got different sizes. For example, if here this is small, we have medium, large, extra large. It's some of them.
Okay. How much is this one?
Price of this set 120 in the shop.
I won't ask the price of everything because you've got a catalogue online. So if they want to see your catalogue, then go to your site.
Mama Castle.
Mama still good.
Mama good.
Krik gelmiş, krik.
Great, mama.
Ha, krik gelmiş bak. Mama kasım gelmiş.
Hello, merhaba.
How are you? Good?
Hi, good to see you.
Oh, see ya, see ya.
Craig is here. Hello, Mama Castle.
Oh wow,
Oh,
yeah.
you buy.
They're so cute. Show me. Let me see.
Do we get chance
She said many people come here.
Jellyfish.
Many people, yes.
And also
That looks like a reef.
She say many tourists come,
Tourist good?
but by everywhere. Mama here, they wait customers. No more customers.
I try and send them all.
Yes, yes.
Dad.
I try and send everyone to Mama Castle
thank you
every
very
time. Yes.
Many people sell Mama Castle here.
No, Mama.
People buy, come here, Mama Castle here.
Oh,
Little bit problem.
we need them to buy more.
Yes.
We need them
Yeah,
to buy more.
yeah,
We need more
yeah.
people
More people.
visiting Mama Castle and buying more souvenirs, more teddies, more
Real
everything.
Mama Castle here.
This is the real one.
Thank you very much.
No fake, no
fake,
Turkish fake, real Turkish authentic
Real,
Mama
yes,
Castle.
authentic.
So before we leave now, instead of us going out down Cafe Barish Cafe this way to the marina, we're going to go this way to the castle No, this way. You're this way. Cafe Barish. Cafe Barish.
Yes, it's better.
So over there, so Mama Castle says Cafe
Yes.
Barish.
Cafe Barish. Okay, okay.
Tamam. Good, Cafe Barish, good. Right, we're gonna go. We've got the scooter this way. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you.
And now we're gonna enjoy our last couple of days in Marmaris. And make sure that you come past Cafe Barish
Cafe Barish.
to see Mama Castle.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Tamam.
All right, thank you very
Tamam.
much. Thank you.
So, thank
Send
you.
this out.